you be like landlord.
Hope everybody's money is okay. By the time they start coming around to come and get your money, you have to be ready and willing to pay your money. Thank you very much. Now you people welcome on top the Paddy
You be like
show.
landlord.
Today I'm landlord
Vikram.
Landlord
Fajui.
Fajui. So today landlord Fajui. And you are tenant. Tenant who?
I be tenant.
Caro.
Tenant Caro.
Caro, have you paid your money?
I don't pay 5 years.
I will check my document too.
5 years advance.
Because you have to make sure that you have paid all your money, and you know how if you don't pay the money, some other things are going to take care of
Lord.
it.
Okay, we greet everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, depend on whichever of the diaspora you watch us from. But if you dey for inside Lagos like you dey, now good morning. So if you dey and not be morning for where you dey and you dey Lagos, bros, there's something wrong.
Yes,
there's something wrong.
You get geographical error.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, you are not really processing the geographical terms logically.
It's not balancing with the equator.
Yes, there's a brain hormonal imbalance.
Exactly. The latitude 49 is not perpendicular to the longitude, which is the inversely proportional
to the altitude. All give you a circumference.
Exactly.
That is it.
So you have to tweak it in such a way that the radius has to be, you have to align horizontally, you understand, with all of the parallelogram that concerns the vertical vertebrae. You get me? So it's just wonderful that you have just get it. You understand me now? Because different things are happening in everywhere.
Let's go on break.
Yeah, so let's go on break now. By the time we come back, we'll continue everything that concerns the Damascus.
The what? Damascus?
Paddy should not start. Vasicate, bright.
Oh Lord, I don't read any story.
Who? You don't read anything? You don't worry you. No, you go read that. You might do it live.
I don't read one like this.
Yeah, you might do it live. You say you now very, very, experiential girl.
Okay.
So you can do it.
I like as they give me moral support.
I like to do that thing very well, you understand? It's part of my forte. You get?
It's your forte. Wow, it's been long I heard that word, forte.
Yeah. It's supposed
like lisp.
It's a lisp. That one there. That people get like kind of lips. They talk lisp.
Give us the yarn real quick. Sharp.
Lisp.
Yano. Okay, so Baba K.
No.
Oh.
You're on TV now. Sorry.
Sorry. So.
Baba K, my guy.
My guy. This is what I want to tell you now. I will tell you what they said I should tell you.
Exactly.
What happened, I will explain it to you. All right? By reading it out to you. Bernard Bay, a homeless man from Brooklyn. This happened in the United States of the world. America. In where? Brooklyn. Now, in New York.
Yes.
Brooklyn in New York.
Yes.
In America.
Now that the notorious B.I.G. the area.
Yes, where they grow nice gets too.
Yes.
From New York, put your lighters up. Put your lighters up. In they sue him parents now, say they don't love him and they don't support him enough. So he's suing his parents for $200,000. Yes, compensation. It's not a joke. 32-year-old Bernard Bay, aspiring rapper in Brooklyn, aspiring he wants to be an artist rapper. He's suing his parents of $200,000 as compensation, so they don't love and support him enough. He's also homeless and blames his parents for his current situation. Interview where they get with him, he say he ran away from, he come around from for house when he be 12 years old because his family abused him both physically and verbally. He said he don't day in and out of shelter system. These are shelter homes for homeless places. Them.
Yeah.
Say he don't day in and out of shelter homes them for a while. You understand? He don't day in and out of shelter homes them for a while and say he just file lawsuits now against them for Brooklyn court and they accuse them of lack of enough care and loving and they charge them $200,000. Then I said, why would you do that? He said, why would you leave off the state and get public assistance and food stamps? Then they ask him, say, okay, why did you leave home? Why would you be living on waiting then they give you and stamps? You know waiting the guy talk? He say, well, you should ask my parents this question. Why would they allow me leave home? When I left, why didn't they come and find me?
What's in the worry, some kind of people? Sure, you don't get something else to carry your parents go court for. Okay, maybe even leave say you carry your parents go court for say because they know what they're supposed to do. Hello, hello, really? So as it be like this now, say they born you alone, you know go thank God say they even carry you come the earth. I mean, if you want to sue, go sue for something else. Just sue, say must sue they bite you too much.
Make I tell you what the mama talk. The mama say, all this thing when my pikin they talk, no be so. He know say we don't get that kind of money. He know. In family member can't say, Mona, no mind this boy. He dey psychologically imbalanced more. You understand? Mona, no mind now more. Say no worry, she be our own. We go sit down with and follow and talk. But things not be like, no mind Bernardo.
Bebe, just get yourself here.
Best school.
No, all this rubbish wey dey talk like this, say your parents wanting. For a year, you can't say you can't go do that kind of thing. Oh, they will beat. If you say it's because your parents say they born you alone.
For a year, no court go collect your case.
Which court? Even the lawyer plus the judge. They say,
go beat you.
Come. Should you your head correctly? Go. Pa. Biggie, come on, get out of this place. Because for a year, now community they join train you.
They real, no be one person.
Parents.
It's a communal training.
Your neighbor will beat you now. Your neighbor will punish you. Our neighbor when
you go beat you, you can't tell you, go and tell your mother that I beat you. Then tell her what you did.
So what are you talking about? Well, that side and that side. Here and here. We get our cultures and values.
Of course, you know. Don't worry.
We must never joke with our culture. Because now they keep us now. If not, we have not culture like America. You understand? Anyway, my own gist for the morning. Wow, things will never end.
You read that?
You go.
Read that.
All right. Where they look?
That one.
Okay. No, we are real. We don't real anyhow. So my own gist now.
We are too honest on this show.
Very, very honest.
We are too honest.
We are open to you. You understand me now? Very, very open.
We come as we are.
Yes, just the way we are. We come just the way we are. Okay. Now, based on proposal.
Yes.
Proposal.
Yes.
Proposal.
Yes.
Proposal.
Yes.
Proposal.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so this guy now say, okay, he want to propose to him, babe. But at the same time, before he go propose to that babe, he want to know whether really
she love
the girl love him.
Okay.
You understand? Men different from women, no? He say women are the submit hand. They'll just choke ring for your hand. Now after women don't collect ring, now they most of the time come they think and say, wow, I love this guy. I want to end with him.
Do I really want to be with him?
But ring did their hand.
Am I sure what I'm doing? They can't look this ring.
Yeah, they can't look the ring.
Can I really?
This guy,
am I sure?
This guy. You understand? But men, most of the time, they know before they put the ring.
Give the ring. Reverse is the case.
Exactly. You know? So this guy now say, okay, he want us to look, say, come, this girl I've been dating with for a time now. This girl, not just because of swag and everything what I get. Then this girl love me. Make I know that really, she in-depthly in love with me.
Yeah.
And I can say, okay, he no go babalawo. He say, he no go ask friends. They feel deceive am too. He say, waiting go do tinko. He say, go know wetin go do.
Okay.
He say, to propose to this girl, to find out whether the girl love me, I go fake my own death.
Okay.
Then the guy just carry motor. Different things put for road, you know. Come like say, come get accident. Come rent people, then come road. Come rent ambulance, come. Everything, rent blood, different thing. In come like down for road. When they come call the girl, say, Julius Caesar. No, okay, make I use that thing. And that person's name. Darlington, he don't enter accident, oh. Giddy. And the girl come. When the girl come see the guy, the girl come say,
slow motion.
Slow motion. Do. She can't do. She can't cry, plenty cry. From there, then the guy just stand up. He say, oh, baby girl, I'm okay. I'm not dead. But, psych! He's playing something. But the guy can't go down on his knee. Can't say, baby girl, will you marry me? Because neither they convinced. Say the girl love him based on the many cry. When she cry, when she reach there and CM for a pool of blood.
Yes, sir. Please,
But
can I say something in my
You
language?
can feel free to say it.
Can I say something in my language?
But she said yes, so.
Uncle Yogbadun. I will tell you why. It means that what? Uncle is not well. I will tell you why. Sir! For a small mind, now the amount of cry.
Where the girl cry?
Where the girl cry, and I make her believe say he love him. Yeah.
So
You
nine
never
months
see
ago-
where girls, they cry, their intestine come out, but...
Yeah. It happen.
Hey.
Now you go.
Okay.
They are on their very emotional. We are hard for you.
For here, you go the girl go to cry, you go to hear, they cry. I know say you're crying and lie. She'll stand up, say, when you know say na lie.
Yes. Why you say go?
Why you self got they do this kind?
Go to do this kind of nonsense.
Na person when they cry with that.
Now. They also, wait to say.
Waiting. I don't even cry. I don't even know why they cry for you.
Why they even cry for you, sir? You don't even deserve them.
My brother, don't worry. If not by cry,
This guy, I don't know. But now we don't do this kind of thing now. Now, which kind of surprise don't come past this one now? Imagine if they don't come finally marry now.
It can't happen.
One day, they just call the girl. Maybe the
happen.
real accidents can't happen, no. They can't call the girl say,
come
say like
on.
this, so organize that accident, so she'll say,
It's my baby. I know how he
he just wants to
is.
pull a surprise
Yeah,
on me.
she probably wants to buy me a house and just decided to have the accident in front of
in
the
front
house.
of the house. You understand?
Is there anything like a house around there? Okay, maybe it's a car. Is there anything like a car? Or maybe it's an island. Is it an island till he go die finish?
So please, as they do plan surprise for somebody,
You do reasonable
they what?
surprise.
Reasonable surprise. Be careful. It can go two way. Okay? It can go the other way. It can go the other way. I don't try surprise for person before. I know as it be.
If
you understand?
if not me this year, I will first was the guy slap.
No. The girl, no be you know if you try with black
I go
woman.
was the guy slap.
You know if you try this thing with black woman.
you no go try am.
No. This should be come out the
because you know understand. Do you know what if it happened to me as I they rush they come meet me?
Exactly. They rush, they come. What if she get gonna enter her own accident for
You get some people who get very mild psychological acceptance towards this thing.
They will feel off.
They feel just crazy.
If you just crazy for road, because they pum.
Panic. They feel just crazy. Do you know wetin panic fit oga respect yourself? I go
Please.
slap you, can't tell you no. After like 1 month, I can't say.
Okay,
bring
but don't
it.
try it again.
But don't try
it again. Okay, but if you want to surprise me with like Lamborghini, or just surprise me with one big motor like that. Just give me range. You understand? But no cause say you won't die. I go use electric shock, you go wake up. Don't die what? What is wrong with you? I never
All
shot
die,
your
die.
All die.
Alright.
But I see, I like the fact that the guy said, he think outside the box. You understand? But some thinking sometimes.
It's not really
we don't
outside
hear,
the
they
box.
go break. They go break.
Be even
Before they
break.
kill
Now
us
laugh
for
the
back.
laugh. As
We
now
don't
they
hear.
come back, we laugh the laugh.
As they come back now, I laugh the laugh.
Come back, we laugh the
Wait till
laugh.
I have to say, well, we
Talk.
don't even talk again. We no talk again.
Don't tell you. Come back, we laugh the laugh.
What?
No, don't disrespect Paddy.
No, that's why I keep that one. Keep that one. Bring this one.
Throw it this one. Throw me.
Waiting.
Oh, yeah, leave this
We no talk again, sir.
Oh yeah, go the break now.
Compassion! Educational system in the country. Shout out to all the last whites that when they write the exam. You know, say lot of the exam hall.
You get one too when I see for Facebook. The guy say, "Thank God I am not a cops."
They want kid again.
I am not a cops. You know
Now
how
you
they
copper.
spell the cops? CORPSE. I am now a cops. Now people come they say you will not be a cops in God's name.
People won't finish.
You will not die.
But don't call the time.
My sister, be careful what you say.
Some people call the course half for the comments. They call the course and say, Olodo, after you go to do NYC. Some people they even write their own course.
Course on top.
For their own course, the course they get. They do error for their own spelling.
For their own spelling.
That means say you when they course the person will not make mistakes. See your own spelling too. Everybody they blame everybody.
They say, wow, thank God, we are now a cops.
We are now a cops.
Now somebody say, I did not follow you and cops. I did follow you and cops.
Now, wow, please, government and people that were supposed to teach our people where. Not be joke. They say for last, they write exam now. They use a candle. They use phone. They write exam
Lord.
from midnight. We go talk am because we need to correct some things for this country.
This not gist, not be gist, na confirm something.
Confirm gist, I confirm one like this. They use torchlight, they write their this thing. Wow, they write like 4 exams one day. What's happen? Tomorrow they say they are breeding students, they are bringing people. How they go take learn if they come out like this?
That now why somebody go look you say, is he around? No, he didn't they?
I went there. Were me not there?
People are saying these things, Ogbolo.
Not be joking now.
And then graduate, you go see them, they will tell you, I went to school, and that person was my classmate, and you go come the wonder, went to school.
The same school now, pass come out. You know? So please, help us there. Help us there.
Look, Avanta. Okay.
Mineral resources.
Follow us for Twitter. Mineral resources. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Paddy at wazobiatv.tv. If you get anything to talk, just go there. Make you send us email. Paddy at wazobiatv.tv. If you want to follow us on top Instagram now at wazobiatvng. Now, if you say you want to follow us individually, my own name Mayowa Ekpo for Instagram, Mayowa Lambe for Twitter, Ogbolo on Instagram, Funny Ogbolo on Twitter. YouTube and Facebook is the same thing. Just go to youtube.com/wazobiatvng. Look for Paddy Paddy. The same thing with Facebook /wazobiatvng. Look for Paddy Paddy. And all your dreams of us will come true.
All right, now hear me from about to talk Paddy Paddy for today. As it be like this now, landlord.
I'll give you another one.
Tenant, you are forgetting?
No, I know my own tenant, Caro.
Kilo tier, Caro. Kilo tier. You don't know how to do this thing.
Sorry. Muftao.
Faji, Abi. Fajiri. You want Fajiri job?
Fajiri.
All these guys up now, they don't even know anything again. So,
sorry.
Oh, you're coming to my house and come and show me the remaining money that you are owing me.
Okay, go, I'll follow you.
No. You have to follow me to the.
No, go, I'll follow you.
You have to follow me.
I have to close shop. I have to close shop, Esther. I don't pay 5 years rent. I'll slap you. I don't pay 5 years rent. I go slap you.
You can make it 6 years.
I will slap you. Esther, go, I'll follow you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.